Alright guys, so this video exists to show you Dochub, which is the PDF writing tool that you'll be using to complete your Twitter page today. So if we go ahead and go to the sample page here, you'll notice that it's been uploaded to the Google Drive. So you're probably wondering, Mrs. Devlin, what? I can't write on this. Here's the trick, guys. If you go to the Open With button up here and click on the little arrow, you'll see the option to open in Dochub. Go ahead and do that. It might take a moment or so to load. So, here is my Twitter page. One of the first things I might do is give a name to it up top. Feel free to do that. So you'll see that I have the PDF from the lesson. There's also lots of different tools up here that we're going to go over. If you would like to type on it, which I recommend you do, all you got to do is click on the text tool, which is located here. There we go. You'll notice that you kind of have this little orange box with a plus sign to help you locate things. For example, if I wanted to write in the Twitter username column, I would simply just click here, and then I'd be able to type. So if we were doing Andrew Jackson, and I decided to make his Twitter name Andrew Jax, there you go. All I did to stop typing in that box was click away from it. And that's how you're going to complete this assignment, guys. You're going to go ahead and just type everything in. And it just moves right along like this. So this is how you're going to fill in everything. To change the size in the text box, like see how it says America and Freedom First? All I need to do is expand it, like that. If I wanted to change the color, I would just highlight the color I wanted to change, go above, and choose a new color. So there are some ways that you can get creative with this. If I wanted to change the font, I would just highlight the text and then change the font. So this is how you're going to complete today's assignment. You're going to be typing everything in this manner. Some tips for writing the tweets. So you'll notice here that when I hit enter, I was able to write more. So if I were to put my hashtag here, so hashtag POTUS for President of the United States, all I would need to do to expand it would be to just move like that. So that's how you're going to write on everything, guys. A little bit about photos and videos. There is a way for you to insert an image into this assignment. So if I wanted to put a picture of Andrew Jackson here, what I'd do is I'd click on the Insert Image button there. I would search in my pictures for perhaps Andrew Jackson, and then I'd just click on it. So sometimes it's going to take a moment or so to load here, so it might not pop up immediately. There we go. Now that's way too big for the assignment, obviously. So what I would do here to size it downwards is I just go to the corner and move it down. Another key tip for moving things, guys, always use the blue part up top. That will help you move things very easily. So I would just use this blue part to help get it where I wanted it to be. And then once I click away, it's there. So that's how you put a picture in. And again, I'd recommend saving some pictures to your computer prior to submitting this so you can easily upload them into the document. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I finish this and how do I submit it? Here's what you're going to do. If you go to the top right corner here, you'll see that there's a File button. Click the arrow here. You'll notice that there are a couple different things here. Guys, do not send this to me. It'll make me cry. I do not want to get 46 emails from 8th graders sent to me. Submit it in the Dropbox like I ask you to. You'll notice that there are a couple different options here. What I personally do is I download it as a PDF, so it's saved on my computer. Now, after that, I would then click the little disk button up here and make sure I save it in a place where I can easily find it. For me, I'm just putting it in the My Documents section. Save. So now it's saved to my computer, so I can't lose it. Kind of important. There's also the option to export it to the Google Drive. So if you have a Chromebook, that is going to be the best option for you. Now, to submit this assignment, I'm going to go back to today's lesson. So give me just a minute to do that. Alright guys, so I'm located at the lesson for today. Just so we don't forget, please remember that you can upload the assignment to your Google Drive. I'm going to show you how to do that real quick, okay? So we're going to jump onto my Google Drive here. And to upload the assignment, you're just going to go New, File, Upload. We'll put my sample Twitter page here. As always, guys, make sure to click that shareable link, just like you would any other Google document. Going to today's lesson, scroll to the bottom, click Add Submission, and then at the bottom, go ahead and paste that link into the text chat. And then bam, you've submitted your assignment. So guys, again, this was a quick video on how to use Dochub to complete your work for today. Should you not understand the video or not understand Dochub, please contact me as soon as you possibly can, guys, okay? Good luck on the assignment. I know you will rock it.